Alright, YouTube. Well, I made my first tractor problem. I initiated that little cut right in there in between the lugs. Doesn't look that severe, but it did make the tire flat. And I actually don't have a real tire jack, so I stuck a big piece of oak under there just to keep the tire up from sitting right on the rim, damaging the tire. Hopefully it did what I wanted. But I'm going to use this blackjack kit. Watched a couple videos of this online, but what I don't know is how well will it work on a tractor. Alright, so I use this thing to kind of work this hole a little bit. You just go in and out and try to make it so you can get the plug actually through it. I'm going to have my wife take a video here as I do the job. So I'm grabbing one of these plugs. And the nice thing on this thing is it's got instructions right on it. I was told that this is the hard part, getting this thing through here. This is my first time trying this device. I've seen it used several times. It's about halfway. Insert it in. Good. And that should be it. Why don't you pause it real quick? Alright, I haven't finished refilling it back up. My little air tank here just doesn't have enough holding air to fully fill it up. But I do have it off the log, and if you want to come closer, it worked. It is not leaking out of here. I knew it was leaking right away. I actually could hear this when the tractor shut off. So it's holding air now. I'll take another video in a few days just to show you how it holds up, because I got more steel wire to move and more logging to do. So I'll give you a good idea, but that's blackjack tire repair. Really easy, way better than paying someone to come out here.